What is the LOL Surprise decoder? It looks like from the box that number 1 and 2 is going to be completely different than what we are used to. In your first layer, you should get a decoder. Now the decoder is going to be for your clue and it's also for your checklist. We're actually going to use the decoder to decode what is on the clue. And as you can see right here, this is one of the clues that we are using with the decoder. Now do any of you know what this clue might be? And I'm also going to show you how to use the decoder for the checklist. Whichever symbol appears on the checklist, that will let you know if it's going to be a boy or a girl for that club. Let's use the decoder to reveal who we've got. For the Glitterati Club, we're going to have 2 new babies for Wave 2, and they're both girls. For the Glam Club, we are going to have 1 new baby for Wave 2, and it's a girl. For the Athletic Club, we're going to have 1 new baby in Wave 2, and it's a boy. And for the Art Club, we're gonna have 2 new babies in Wave 2, and they're both girls. And for the Retro Club, we're gonna have 1 new baby, and it's a girl. And for the Chill Out Club, we're gonna have 1 new baby in Wave 2, and it's a girl. And for the Storybook Club, we're gonna have 1 new baby for Wave 2, and it's also a girl. For the Pop Club, we're gonna have 2 new babies, and they're both girls. For the Spooky Club, we're gonna have 2 new babies, and one's a boy and the other one's a girl. Then for the Opposites Club, we're gonna have 2 new babies and they're both girls. Now guys, I am really excited about the decoder and I cannot wait to see it in person. Now guys, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!